Okay, in this video we want to evaluate this triple integral. On the far left, 0, 1, it would be dx, middle would be dy, so x2x, and 0, x plus y would be denoted by dz. So let's get started. So we will first take the integral of dz. So everything else would remain the same. And when we take the integral of this in terms of z, we would get 6x, y, z. And what we're going to want to plug in would be 0, x plus y for z. And so it would still be dy dx. And once we plug in, we would get 0, 1, x, 2x. We plug in x plus y for z. And so we would get 6xy, parentheses x plus y, dy dx. Next we will multiply these two terms out. And so we would get 0, 1, x, 2x. And when we multiply, we would get 6x squared y plus 6xy squared in terms of dy dx. And now we will take the integral of this in terms of dy. So we would get 0, 1. So when we take the integral in terms of y, we have 1 plus 1, so 2 divided by 2. So we would get 3x squared y squared plus 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 3. So plus 2xy cubed. And likewise, we will plug in x and 2x for y. So x, 2x. And so now when we plug in 2x and x, we would get the integral 0 to 1. We have 3x squared, 2x squared. Actually, it might be a little bit more convenient just to say 4x squared plus 2x. Plugging in 2x for this, we would get 8x cubed minus parentheses. Now we plug in x, so we would get 3x squared times x squared plus 2x times x cubed. In terms of dx, so let's scroll down. Next we will multiply like the x squared by x squared. And so what we're going to get for that would be the integral 0, 1. We would get 12x raised to the 4th plus 16x raised to the 4th minus 3x squared times x squared would be minus 3x raised to the 4th minus 2x raised to the 4th dx. Now we take the integral of this in terms of x. Actually, first we'll actually add everything up. So we'll get 0, 1. 12 plus 16 would be 28 minus 3, 25 minus 2, 23 x raised to the 4th dx. And now we'll take the integral of this. So integral of this would be 23 x raised to the 5th divided by 5. And we want to plug in 0, 1. So 0, 1, by plugging in 0, 1, we would get 23 divided by 5. And this is our final answer for the triple integral. And that's all we need to do.